It's 8:27 p.m.
New Rugrats applesauce. And now, a clue about something new.
So if you can't tell by the title of this video, this is more like a hangout with me, I guess. I guess it could also be a vlog in a way, right? In the fire. Long story long, my house is a hot mess from my baby's birthday, which was this past week. So I just have not gotten back into the swing of things just yet. I figured why not bring you guys along with me while I clean up the kitchen, make some dinner, since this is kind of a homesteading / homemaking channel. And my hair is already up for the night. I'm not gonna take it down just for a video. This is like realistic here. This is how I'm looking while I'm cleaning and cooking. I got some Scrub Daddies. One's the shape of Texas, of course, because you know, I live in Texas.
What's so great about dumb old Texas?
What did you say?
Blah, blah, blah. And one's just the regular one. I know everyone has their ways of doing this. Personally, I'm a fan of just doing it by hand without any fancy tools. This was relaxing to me. I don't know why, but for me, it's just relaxing. So like you get one, it's like the brains and stuff, right? The little eyes, right? And you just twist the head off. I usually do it underwater because you get all the gunk. Twist the head off, and then I get the middle one. What's up? Yes? Yes. Good job. ¿Qué está haciendo? No. Gracias. 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 C is for cat. No, it's mommy's. No. No. Bien. No. No. Thank you. Anyway, twist the head off, right? Find like the middle one right here, like where it curves at right here. Stick your nail in there or whatever. Bye bye. Stick your nail in there, and I'll give you like the top half off. Pull that down if you want all the way off. You can leave it sometimes, and then I just pinch the shrimp's tail, and that's all just comes off. This one. Got a good amount there. Okay. All-purpose seasoning and a little bit of sloppy mama. Just spill that on the floor. A little bit of that. My stove is a hot mess, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean that off. Wipe all the dry stuff off first. I usually don't use paper towels like that, but my dish rags are all dirty. So now I'm forced to use paper towels on purpose. What the heck? My freaking seal is messed up on this oven, which is annoying because I paid so much money for it to cook with. So while that's doing its thing and heating up, let's knock out these dreadful dishes. Scratch free, we finna see. I usually keep my cutting board like this to like make a barrier while I'm washing dishes for like splashing water so it doesn't go to the clean side. So I'm gonna dry and wash my cutting board last. And the good thing is, shrimp don't even take that long to cook. That's what's great about it. Last batch is going in. I can go ahead and start washing this bowl out as soon as I'm done so that I don't have any extra dishes left. Boom. I've already added my garlic and things like that. Getting this right and heated up. I realized that it's late and I don't actually need to be eating that sauce I made because it's gonna kill my like, you know, like you eat and lay down on certain stuff, and I was like, well, I'll save it for tomorrow and just eat a little bit tonight of just shrimp. But I'm probably honestly and truly just gonna watch Bob's Burgers with the baby, or while I eat, and then with the baby until she KOs. But I have to be up at 7 tomorrow morning because I have to leave by 7:30 or something like that. So I'm not gonna be like up late tonight. So yeah. Are you ready to get in the bed? Okay, bye-bye. I'm so tired, like I don't even feel like eating. Like that's how tired I am. Bone apple tea. They still hit even without the sauce. Yo, I think Bob's Burgers is like my favorite cartoon show, but my favorite person on this show is probably Louise. Up, because every episode is like, first of all, I love the show because every episode is different, but like Louise is my favorite because I feel like she says stuff that people actually want to say, but no one says it. I wanted to go to the gym tonight, but that's not gonna happen.
That's all, folks.